I like to keep the jack in place just as an added safety measure. And it's very important always to chock the wheels. Let's check the other side. Nothing. No rubbing. Okay, so we can see here where the caliper is rubbing against the weights, and that's probably somewhere around this area. And of course, I have two options. One would be to remove these. The other would be to lightly grind this area here. So let me think about that for a sec, and we'll see what I do. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a large file and file some of these little protrusions here. See if that helps. Still here a little bit, so let's keep investigating. Okay, take 45. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's so faint. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Okay, one more time. Hopefully the last time. Haven't tried it, so if you hear me crying, just kidding. Ta-da! Perfect. That is fantabulous. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in. I hope you can hear me. I'm using the phone's microphone. Anyway, this is what I've done here. You can see I filed quite a bit. And also down here, there's almost like a little barb right here. And but I have really no idea if that was the one causing the racket. Oh, and I wanted to show you. This is approximately the amount of metal that I removed. Some of that is paint because I painted these a long time ago. But, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna give them another quick coat, especially these areas, because these are probably cast iron. So, just to keep them looking good for as long as possible, until I decide to install something fancier. So anyway, let me do that. And I cannot take the car out for a spin because we are waiting for Ian to come visit, or maybe not. I'm in Ocala, so, but we're getting pretty nasty weather out there. So anyway, let's see update for now. Okay, so I used a little bit of this Perfect Match Universal Silver and just a small brush, touched it up. I think it's protected. And next, what I have to do is, as you can see, I'm gonna have to address this issue here. The tire's rubbing. So, I'm gonna, since I have everything apart, I'm gonna tackle that one next. I was gonna go to a store and buy a grinder. Then I opened my other toolbox. I should do that more often, I guess. And I found this one. I bought it at Harbor Freight a long time ago, and I completely forgot about it. Even has a thin cutoff wheel. This is brand new. I thought, what a nice surprise. That was very nice of me. So, oops. I'm gonna carefully use that, see what happens. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film this, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And we'll see what happens. What happens when I'm driving? I may have to remove just a little bit more. As you can see, this is where this thing has been rubbing a little bit. So my plan is to, I think, either go down straight all the way to the bottom, or maybe at an angle. I don't know yet. I'll figure something out. So I think I'm just gonna go all the way straight down. There is, the only thing that could be an issue here, there is like a rib, and I'm gonna have to work around that thing. But I don't want to keep cutting and then, you know, put everything back together and then have to take it all apart again to keep cutting. So I just want to do this, and that'll give me enough material here so it'll look okay, in theory anyway. It's gonna be pretty hard to film, but I'll give it a shot anyway. And I have some ear protection on because this thing is impossibly loud. So let's give this a shot and see what happens. I'm gonna cut here first just to practice. That's pretty good. Makes a mess. The size of this one here. Wow. I have to touch this up later. Either some black, or I have to have some paint mixed. Okay, so I'm gonna touch up. I'm just letting, I kind of washed some of the dust off of the inside of the fender. I'm gonna touch up a few things just to make it look a little better. Not that no one will notice this. And it's got a couple little chips from driving. So I'm not gonna worry too much about that just yet. At some point I would like to remove the whole thing and repaint it, but I'm not gonna do that today. Okay, so this is done, or as done as I'm gonna get it today. And everything is pretty much clean. I mean, there's a couple little spots, I'm sure, somewhere, but it'll be fine. Let's do this NASCAR style. Other side. So that one is a lot wider. I really like how this looks. Very nice. I'll take it for a quick spin, see what happens. I really like how that looks. That is really nice. I wasn't sure at first, but I kind of like it. Even though you can still see a little bit of the fender there. I guess that was the purpose of that flap there, to cover that, make it look like one piece, but I cannot really see it from up here, so. Perfect. Good. Very happy with that.